Hey! How are you guys doing? Once again, I'm back, but this time it's live on FB. I wish I am invisible right now. Yeah, so let's do it quick, guys. And let's do it English a bit for the sake of those who have entries from out of the country. Alright. Hi, Anne. Hi, B. Yeah, so while waiting for the others, guys, I would like to introduce to you my newly discovered app. And I guess this is quick and more accurate than the bunot or shake Raffle. But as I said, I just discovered it lately, so let's try it tonight for Misty Haze 6th grade Raffle. Hi Des. So, how many are my viewers now? Are you guys there? Shall we start now? Alright, let's start in 10 seconds. Hi Anne. Yeah. Alright, so let's start in 10 seconds. And while waiting, I want to say thank you and good luck to those who have entries for tonight's raffle. Hello, Marilyn Lawigan. Hi, ma'am. All right. Okay, so I can't wait no more. Let's shake a leg. Let's go, guys. Do you see that? Yeah, so with this magic wheel, listed all your numbers together with your names. Also, uploaded this to Misty Haze for you to check out before I do this live, guys. Okay, and I will just press it here to spin. Do you see that? And boom! We have a lucky winner. So yeah, guys, here we go. Are you ready? All right. So I will spin it now. And congratulations to... Oh my God! Congratulations to number 20, Michelle Yuson. Congratulations to you. You are the winner. You got this eye-catching green Peacock huge wall clock. Congratulations once again. I feel so sad to the others, so I want to spin it again. So, be ready to win. Be ready to win this charming bracelet. And congratulations to... Congratulations, number 23, Ave Leoncito. This surprise bracelet is for you. Ayan, bagay na bagay sa'yo yan, te. And I just want to spin it again. Kasi guys, nakaka-addict pala to guys. So, be ready to win 100 pesos worth of load. And congratulations to... Congratulations, number 1, Josen San Juan. So guys, until here, congratulations to the winners once again. So thank you for your time, for your support. Good luck. Oh, not good luck. It's done. God bless and keep safe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.